Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Panda. Today I'm showing you how to make beautiful flower appliques that are perfect for adding a cute touch to any crochet project. These flowers are quick, easy and beginner friendly. So let's get started. Start the flower with the white yarn and make a magic ring. To make a magic ring, wrap the yarn around your fingers and go underneath this strand and pull through and yarn over and pull through to make a magic ring. After making a magic ring, chain 1 so that you have 2 chains in total. What you're gonna do next is you're gonna insert 6 half double crochets into the magic ring. So to make a half double crochet, what you're gonna do is yarn over, go into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops at the same time. Now we're just going to repeat this for 5 more times until we have 6 half double crochets in total. So yarn over, go into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Repeat till you have 6 half double crochets in total. After you have made 6 half double crochets, you're just gonna pull the tail to tighten the magic ring. After tightening it, you're gonna go into the first chain 2 and then you're gonna make a slip stitch. To make a slip stitch, go into the chain, yarn over and pull through. Next, chain 1 and cut the yarn. After cutting the yarn, make sure you tighten it. The middle part of the flower is ready. Next we are going to move on to the petals. To make the petals, take your color of choice. I'm taking a beautiful violet. Next you're going to make a slip knot just like shown in the screen. What you're going to do next is you're going to just take your hook and put it through any of the stitches on the middle part of the flower and then take the slip knot we made earlier and slip it on the hook, tighten it and then pull through. After doing that, you're just going to follow the instructions on screen, that is to slip stitch, chain 2 and then next we are going to make 3 treble crochets into the same stitch we just made the chains into. So next, to make a triple crochet, yarn over twice. You're gonna yarn over twice so that you have 3 loops and then go into the stitch and then I'm just taking the tail so that I don't have to weave in the tails later. I just hate doing it. After that, you're just going to yarn over again, pull through. Now you will have 4 loops on your hook. Just yarn over and pull through 2 of them, again yarn over and pull through 2 of them and again yarn over and pull through 2 of them. So that is your first treble crochet. You're just gonna insert 2 more of them into the same stitch we just inserted the first treble crochet into until we have 3 treble crochets in total. After making 3 treble crochets, what you're gonna do next is you're gonna chain 2 and then make a slip stitch into the same stitch we've been working on. Now we're just gonna repeat these steps until we have 6 petals in total. So just repeat and make a slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 2 Make 3 treble crochets. Chain 2 and then slip stitch. Repeat until you have 6 petals. What you're gonna do next is you're gonna slip stitch into the first petal. That is the first stitch of our middle part of the flower. So if you just pull the petal, you'll see a small hole in the bottom. So you're just gonna stab your hook and then make a slip stitch. Next, you're gonna chain 1 and finish it off. So cut the yarn and make sure to tighten it. Next, we're just gonna weave it in. You can use a darning needle if you want, but I'm just using my hook. As you can see right here, I'm just putting my hook into the back of one of the petals and yarning over and pulling it through. This is kind of hard to do, so if you're a beginner, I'd suggest that you use a needle instead of a hook. It's quite hard to do. Just gonna pull it and cut the remaining yarn. So that's it, you guys. Your crochet flower is ready to use. I hope you enjoyed this quick and colorful project. Let me know in comments where you plan to use them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching and have fun watching this friends of mine having fun. Bye.